In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the zoom and pan tools in AutoCAD, a fundamental skill for navigating and working efficiently within your drawings. Whether you're adjusting your view to analyze a detail closely, or moving seamlessly across large design areas, mastering these tools will significantly enhance your workflow. Let's start by talking about panning. One of the most intuitive ways to pan or move around your drawing in AutoCAD is by using the mouse wheel. It's a handy feature that you'll likely use often. Simply press and hold the middle mouse wheel button, or click it if yours isn't a button. Then, as you move your mouse, your view will shift accordingly. This method is commonly known as real-time pan and is highly efficient for quick movements across the drawing space. Real-time feedback means you can instantly see the changes as you move the mouse, providing a highly responsive experience. If you prefer or need to use the command line, panning can be accomplished that way as well. Start by typing PAN or just P into the command line and hit Enter. Once activated, you can click and drag with the left mouse button to smoothly pan around your drawing. It's a straightforward method that gives you precise control over your view. When you're done panning, you can exit the command by pressing Enter again, or simply hitting the ESC key. Now, let's move on to zooming, which allows you to change your view's magnification. Again, the mouse wheel makes this a simple task. By rolling the mouse wheel forward, which is away from you, you'll zoom in on your drawing, allowing you to see details more closely. Conversely, rolling it backwards towards you zooms out, giving you a broader view of your entire drawing. This technique is essential for navigating large and complex projects, enabling you to quickly focus in on specific areas or get a complete overview as needed. For those who prefer using the keyboard, zooming through the command line is equally robust. Begin by typing Zoom, or just Z, and press Enter. Right away, the command line provides you with a series of options. For instance, you can zoom into a specific area by defining it with a rectangle, zoom out to see the full extents of your drawing, or specify a particular factor to control the zoom level precisely. Additionally, by selecting Real Time, you enable dynamic zooming, which allows you to use the mouse to zoom in and out smoothly. This flexibility gives you the power to manage your workspace as efficiently as possible. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to panning and zooming in AutoCAD. Mastering these tools will undoubtedly improve not only your speed, but also your precision within the software. By combining intuitive mouse interactions with command line precision, you're well equipped to handle any project with ease.